So let's try to fit this into that. So first of all, let's support the bike. There we go. Just move it a little bit. I taken off the mounts for the GoPro Pilot, so I had to unscrew this mirror, and let's see how that will fit into the space here. Oh, it is quite nice. Leave that loose for now. So the cable goes here and through. Okay, that will be great. Screw this in. There we go. This fits perfectly. So this comes on, off. This as well. I think it's just... Oh. Yep. Easy. That's pretty easy to do. There we go. And other side. Oh. So it has to be all the way down. Oh, yep. There we go. Yes. Yep. And that's for this one. One side is done. Second side is done. Cables are connected to the power button 1, power button 2, and these are connected. This is exit. I will put this one here aside. Now, look at that. Okay, this fired up, it's charging, and now it's working. Nine degrees. Okay, let's put it back together. Tablet, controllers. Let's fire it up. See what happens. So the tablet is not starting right now, right away.